I've lived on the farm for more than 32 years now, but I was raised in the suburbs. The farmer has taught me how to do many things around the farm, and today I'm getting a lesson on how to till the garden with my new Titan 4-foot tiller. The reason I need to raise the bucket all the way up is because there is a cattle panel trellis just in front of me, and getting the bucket up above it means that I can go forward further. We chose the tightest area of the garden for my first attempt at tilling. Welcome to the old Mayfield place. I'm Snow the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient in so many ways, such as growing your own food, using herbal medicine, and preserving food for long-term storage. And sometimes I have to learn new things like running the tractor tiller. Over the years, I've learned to drive the hay wagon truck in the field while the guys pick up hay. I pulled the hay baler down the highway to our second farm. I can rake hay and pick up and stack square bales. I'm getting better at sorting cattle, and I can bottle feed calves. I've given many animals, including calves, horses, and pigs, injections as they need it. And in a pinch, I can operate the Dewey's bed on the truck to feed large round bales of hay. The farmer has 2 tractors he uses on the farm, but this is my first tractor and I'm enjoying it immensely. We got it so I could do more of the garden tasks by myself, such as spreading compost with that handy front-end loader. Recently, we purchased this tiller, and now it's time for me to learn how to use it. Most of my garden is raised beds, but we have this area and a much larger area that are in ground beds. We have a Troy-built horse walk-behind tiller that only the farmer can operate. It's too big for me, so this is going to make it possible for me to till those areas. Homesteading as you get older is still doable. You just have to find easier ways to do it, such as putting in raised beds to avoid bending over and getting on the ground. And sometimes it means learning new skills, such as running a small tractor tiller. Never be afraid to modify your methods or learn a new skill. Being self-sufficient means adapting to the circumstances you find yourself in right now. Well, I survived my first time at tilling, and so did the farmer. So now I need to plant garlic in this spot. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy. Thanks for teaching me a new skill today, farmer, and have a blessed week.